Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. Leo English. I am very happy you are here today. This is a slow and easy English lesson. Please relax. Please listen calmly. You do not need to understand every word. Just listen. Just feel comfortable. Today, we will talk about 2026 goals. We will learn how to set goals, how to do the goals, and how to check the results. This lesson is for beginners, level A1. I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. You can listen and repeat. Are you ready? Let's begin. In English, a goal is something you want to do. A goal is something you want to change. A goal is something you want to have in the future. For example, I want to learn English. I want to be healthier. I want to save money. These are goals. Now, think about 2026. 2026 is a new year. A new year is a good time to start. A new year is a good time to change. I want you to ask yourself a simple question. What do I want in 2026? You can answer slowly. You can answer in your mind. You can answer out loud. Say with me, my goal for 2026 is... Pause. My goal for 2026 is... Good. Now, let me help you set good goals. Many people make goals, but many people stop after 1 month. Why? Because their goals are too big, or too hard, or not clear. So today we will learn how to make simple and realistic goals. First, your goal must be simple. A bad goal is, I will change my whole life in 1 month. This goal is too big. It is too hard. A good goal is, I will study English 10 minutes every day. This goal is simple. This goal is easy to understand. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I will study English 10 minutes every day. Good. Now, your goal must be realistic. Realistic means you can really do it. It fits your life. It fits your time. If you work all day, studying 3 hours every night is not realistic, but studying 10 or 15 minutes is realistic. Say with me, my goal is small and realistic. Good. Now, your goal must be clear. A bad goal is, I want to be better. Better how? Better when? A clear goal is, I want to speak basic English in daily life. I want to understand simple English videos. Clear goals help your brain. Clear goals help you act. Say, my goal is clear. Very good. Now we move to the next part, how to do your goals. A goal without action is only a dream, so we need a simple plan. Let me show you an easy way. Step 1. Choose one goal. Do not choose many goals. One goal is enough. For example, my goal is to learn English in 2026. Good. Step 2. Choose a small daily action. Ask yourself, what can I do every day? For example, listen to English for 10 minutes. Repeat simple sentences. Learn 5 new words. Say with me, I will listen to English for 10 minutes every day. Good. Step 3. Choose a time. Time is important. If you do not choose a time, you will forget. For example, morning after breakfast, evening before sleep, on the bus, during a break. Say, I will study English in the morning, or I will study English before sleep. Good. Step 4. Make it easy. Easy means no pressure. no stress. You do not need a big book. You do not need perfect English. You only need your phone, your ears, your voice. Say, I will keep it easy. Very good. Now, let's talk about doing the goal every day. Some days you feel good. Some days you feel tired. This is normal. On tired days, do not stop. Just do less. If your goal is 10 minutes and you feel tired, do 5 minutes. 5 minutes is better than 0. Say with me, small steps are okay. Yes, small steps are very good. Now, let's talk about measuring results. Measuring means checking your progress, looking at what you did. This is very important. If you do not measure, you do not know if you improve. But do not worry, measuring can be very simple. Method 1. Use a notebook. Every day, write one line. For example, today I listened to English. Today I learned 5 words. That is enough. Say, I will write one line every day. Good. Method 2. Use a checklist. Make a list of days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. When you study, put a check. Check means, yes, I did it. This feels good. Your brain likes checks. Say, I like to check my progress. Good. Now, use your feeling. Ask yourself every week, do I feel better? Do I understand more? Do I feel more confident? Feeling is also a result. Say, I feel more confident. Very nice. Now, let's practice with a full example. Listen carefully. My goal for 2026 is to learn English. I will study English 10 minutes every day. I will study in the evening after dinner. I will listen to simple English and repeat. I will write one line every day to check my progress. Now, repeat slowly with me. My goal for 2026 is to learn English. Pause. I will study English 10 minutes every day. Pause. I will study in the evening after dinner. Pause. I will check my progress every day. Pause. Excellent. Now I want you to make your own goal. Think. Take your time. Answer these questions in your mind. What is my goal for 2026? What small action will I do every day? When will I do it? How will I check my result? You can pause the video. You can write. You can speak. Now, let's talk about common problems. Problem 1, I forget. This is normal. Solution, put a reminder on your phone, or study at the same time every day. Say, I will study at the same time every day. Good. Problem 2, I feel lazy. This is normal. Solution, tell yourself, only 5 minutes. Often, after 5 minutes, you want to continue. Say, only 5 minutes. Good. Problem 3, I feel slow. This is normal. Learning is slow. Slow is good. Slow is strong. Say, slow is okay. Yes, slow is okay. Now, let's talk about results in 2026. If you study 10 minutes every day, that is more than 60 hours in 1 year. 60 hours is a lot. You will understand more words, feel more confident, speak more easily. Small actions give big results. Say, small actions give big results. Very good. Now, I want you to remind you of something important. Do not compare yourself with others. Do not say, he is better, she is faster. Only look at yourself. Ask, am I better than last month? Do I understand more than before? That is enough. Say, I compare myself with myself. Good. Now, let's do a short review. Today, we talked about goals for 2026, how to set goals, how to do goals, and how to check results. Let's repeat the key ideas. Goals must be simple. Goals must be realistic. Goals must be clear. Actions must be small. Actions must be daily. Actions must be easy. Results must be checked. Results can be written. Results can be felt. Say with me slowly. My 2026 goal is simple. My daily action is small. I check my progress. Very good. Now, before we finish, I want to ask you one last question. How do you want your life to feel in 2026? Do you want to feel calm, confident, happy, proud? You can say, I want my life to feel calm, or I want my life to feel better. This is also a goal. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to continue. One day, one step, one goal. Thank you for learning with Mr. Leo English. Please write your goal in the comments. I will read your comments. I will be happy to see them. Thank you for listening. See you next time.